Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best Bosch GMS 120 is probably one of the most indispensable tools for anyone tackling home improvement projects, whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a professional contractor, as it promises to transform the way you approach wall-mounted installations by accurately locating hidden studs, metal pipes, and live electrical wires, thereby preventing costly damage and ensuring your safety with every drill. Number 5. Bosch GLM 400CL Blaze Outdoor Connected Laser Measure. This device features a powerful 5.0 megapixel digital viewfinder. It comes with adjustable zoom, making it easy to locate the laser spot even at great distances. It offers an impressive measuring range of up to 400 feet. You can trust its accuracy, providing measurements within +1/16 inch. The backlit color display ensures numbers are always easy to read, even in challenging lighting conditions. Its distinct resolution makes your work smoother in low light or no light environments. Equipped with reinforced screen glass, this tool is designed for durability. It offers increased resistance against damage, ensuring it stands up to tough job site conditions. It includes 11 different measuring functions to handle any task. From real-time length to volume and indirect measurements, it also offers convenient addition and subtraction capabilities. An integrated inclinometer displays the tilt angle in 360 degrees. This feature simplifies angle and indirect measurements, adding to its versatility. It's fully compatible with the Bosch Measure On app. This allows you to create a clear digital project overview, complete with floor plans, measurements, photos, and notes. What we like. This laser measure features a digital viewfinder and an impressive 400-foot range, making outdoor measurements a breeze. Its Measure On app compatibility allows for seamless data transfer and project management. If you need precise, long-distance measurements and smart data handling for professional projects, this is the perfect choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract points as the source JSON was empty. Number 4. Bosch GWS 12V 30N 12V Max Brushless 3 inches. Angle Grinder. This compact grinder is specifically designed to tackle quick, difficult cuts. It excels in tight spaces where other tools simply cannot reach. Its optimized gear structure delivers an impressive 19,500 no-load RPM. This allows it to effortlessly cut through threaded rod, strut, conduit, tile, and more. Engineered for comfort, it fits perfectly in the palm of your hand. This ergonomic build ensures outstanding control during prolonged use. The efficient brushless motor maximizes battery runtime. This means you can work longer on extended applications without interruption. It features restart protection, which helps prevent accidental tool startup. This is especially useful when you're switching batteries, ensuring safety. Overload protection is built in to reduce the risk of the motor overloading. This also helps prevent overheating, extending the tool's lifespan. An innovative spindle lock design allows for fast wheel changes. A simple spindle clip release makes swapping out wheels quick and easy. What we like. This compact angle grinder is designed for making quick, difficult cuts in tight spaces that other tools can't reach. With 19,500 no-load RPM and an ergonomic build, it offers outstanding control and comfort. If you are looking for a powerful yet nimble tool for precision cutting in confined areas, this one is ideal. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract points as the source content is empty. Number 3. Bosch Wall Scanner D TCT 200C. This advanced scanner offers 4 distinct object views. It helps you interpret results clearly in various situations, ensuring you always have the right perspective. Quickly identify hidden leaks with this device. It's an essential tool for any plumbing professional or DIY enthusiast. It provides accurate depth views as it detects live and non-live cables. You can also locate metal and plastic pipes, and it functions as a reliable stud finder. This scanner seamlessly integrates with your existing Bosch 12V batteries. Enjoy outstanding runtime and consistent power for all your scanning tasks. Equipped with cutting-edge radar technology, it reliably indicates the correct material. This ensures advanced precision when detecting common objects behind walls. Capture screenshots of your findings directly from the device. You can then transfer them via USB-C or SD card to a computer for detailed analysis and documentation. What we like. This advanced wall scanner offers 4 different object views and radar technology for reliable material indication. It even includes a unique leakage detection feature, adding to its versatility. If you require highly accurate detection of cables, pipes, and studs, along with the ability to identify leaks, this scanner provides unparalleled precision and data transfer capabilities. What people say. Number 2. Bosch GRL 900-20 HVK REVOLVE Laser Kit. This kit provides everything you need for precision leveling and layout tasks. It comes complete with the rotary laser, receiver, remote, and all essential accessories. You'll find a grade rod, wall mount, and protective glasses included. It offers a versatile vertical beam and a 90-degree point. This makes it perfect for various layout, squaring, and plumb applications. You can easily tackle complex projects with its multi-directional capabilities. You can trust its precision on every job. It delivers an impressive +1/8" accuracy at 100 feet. This ensures confidence in your setup and reliable results. This powerful tool boasts an extensive working range. It can operate up to 1,000 feet, covering large job sites with ease. This allows for greater flexibility and efficiency on big projects. With its robust design and included tripod, grade rod, and carrying case, it's ready for immediate use. This makes complex tasks simpler and more efficient. It's powered by 2D batteries for long-lasting performance. What we like. This comprehensive rotary laser kit provides self-leveling accuracy and a versatile vertical beam for layout and squaring tasks. With a working range of up to 1,000 feet, it handles large job sites with ease. If you are a professional needing reliable, long-range leveling and plumb applications for extensive construction or landscaping projects, this kit has everything you need. What people say. Number 1. Bosch 11264 EVS Rotary Hammer. This tool delivers an unmatched power-to-weight ratio, featuring a robust 13.0 amp motor and 6.5 feet lbs of impact energy. In hammer-only mode, it provides 20% more power, making it the best-performing rotary hammer in its class at only 15.2 pounds. Experience maximum comfort during extended work periods thanks to its active vibration control, which significantly reduces vibration in the hammer mechanism. The ergonomic grip area further enhances user comfort, allowing for longer, more productive use. Its dual-mode selector offers combination versatility, including both rotary hammer and hammer-only modes. Changing bits is easier than ever with its one-handed, tool-free SDS Max bit system, maximizing job site productivity. This hammer ensures consistent performance with its constant response circuitry, maintaining constant speed even under heavy loads. It also provides essential overload protection and smooth starts for reliable operation every time. It boasts a solid bit capacity of 1 to 5/8 inches and a core bit capacity of 4 to 1/8 inches, handling a wide range of drilling applications. The variable speed control, from 170 to 340 revolutions per minute and 1700 to 2900 BPM, allows for precise operation across different materials and tasks. What we like. This rotary hammer drill boasts an unmatched power-to-weight ratio with a 13.0 amp motor and 6.5 feet lbs of impact energy. Its active vibration control ensures maximum user comfort during extended use, and the dual-mode selector adds versatility. If you need a powerful tool for heavy-duty drilling and chiseling in tough materials, while prioritizing user comfort and efficiency, this is an excellent option. What people say. No reviews provided in the source JSON. Cannot extract points as source is empty. Please provide product reviews to extract points. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.